In this video, we're going to learn how to rearrange our images and also add text to our images. In order to rearrange the images, all you have to do is click to select the image you'd like to move, and once you have the blue active border around it, drag it to its new location. You can do this as many times as you like with any of the pictures. Let's begin adding text. In order to do that, we need to select Next, and then work with the text box on our right. If you've ever used Microsoft Word, this feature will be very familiar to you. Right now, again, I'll refer to the blue active border. This is the image that my text will appear on. When I want to add text to a different picture, I need to click to activate it and then begin typing again. Let's move back to the first image. I'm going to add a brief description of this. You can see that what I type in the box appears in real time on the image itself. This is the preview screen. Now I want to make a few modifications so that my text is more visible, and also want to change the placement of my text so that it's not right in the middle of the image. Let's start by changing the style of the text. In order to do that, you're going to use the blue AA button that says Select Font. Click on that, and we'll move to another screen that has numerous options for font style, size, color, etc. I'm going to change mine to something that's a little bit bigger and bold it. I'm going to make it a little larger. You can see that every time I click a change, it's reflected here in real time on the sample. I'd also like to change the color. I'm going to make mine navy. Okay, so this is what we're going to see when I click OK to apply my updates to the text on my image. Now again, this is kind of in the middle of my image and it's blocking some of the important parts. I'm going to use one of the 6 directional buttons to relocate my text. Again, this is what you see in a Microsoft Word document. Left align, center align, and right align. You can also place your text at the top, center, or bottom of any picture. Let's see how it works on the top. Much better, much clearer. Now that I've made changes to even just one of my images, I need to go ahead and save my project, as PhotoStory does not save automatically, and you need to make sure you save every time you make a change. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already stored my project in my PhotoStory folder on my desktop. I'm simply going to click on Save to update it. It's asking me if I want to replace it, and I do because I want it to save with the most current updates. Okay, we can continue on to our next picture if we'd like to add text to some others. You would simply repeat the option of typing it here, modifying your font and style in here, and then changing your placement if necessary.